After years of studying how people actually achieve goals, I've realized something surprising. It's not lack of motivation. It's not even lack of discipline. The truth? Most goals die because of three silent mistakes. They sneak in under the radar, and before you know it, your momentum is gone. But here's the good news. Each one has a fix you can apply in under 60 seconds. So let's break them down. Chapter 1. The Identity Trap. Mistake number 1. Focusing on actions instead of identity. Most people approach goals with a to-do list. I need to run 3 times a week. I need to save $500 a month. I need to read every night. But here's the problem. If deep down you don't believe you're that kind of person, your brain resists. That's why people quit the gym by February, because they're still telling themselves, I'm not athletic, I'm just trying to force it. Meanwhile, the people who succeed think differently. They don't say, I have to exercise. They say, I'm the kind of person who takes care of my body. That's the identity-first principle. Your actions will always align with who you believe you are. So here's the 60-second fix. Say it out loud. I am the type of person who... fill in the blank. I am the type of person who eats clean. I am the type of person who invests in their future. I am the type of person who follows through. It sounds small, but it rewires your foundation. Because when identity shifts, behavior follows automatically. Chapter 2. The Environment Blind Spot. Mistake number 2. Relying on willpower instead of shaping your environment. Most people think success is about discipline, but your brain is built to conserve energy. It always takes the easiest path. So if junk food is on the counter, you'll eat it. If your phone is next to your bed, you'll scroll at 2 a.m. If your guitar is hidden in the closet, you'll forget about it. That's not weakness, that's design. The fix? Redesign one cue in your environment right now. Want to read more? Put a book on your pillow so it's the first thing you see at night. Want to work out? Lay your shoes and clothes in plain sight, impossible to ignore. Want to save money? Delete shopping apps from your phone and replace them with your banking app. These tiny tweaks take less than a minute, but they flip the script. Suddenly, the right choice is the easiest one, and the wrong choice takes effort. That's how you make success automatic. Chapter 3. The Motivation Myth. Mistake number 3. Waiting to feel motivated. We've all done it, sitting around waiting for that spark to magically appear. But here's the truth. Motivation doesn't come before you start. It comes after. Think about the last time you dragged yourself to do something you didn't want to do. Maybe it was going for a run. Maybe it was starting a project. The first step felt impossible, but once you got moving, suddenly you had energy. That wasn't luck. That was your brain releasing dopamine for progress. So here's the fix. Shrink the action down to its tiniest version. Want to run? Don't promise a marathon. Just step outside in your shoes. Want to write? Forget the chapter. Just type one sentence. Want to save? Transfer $1 into savings right now. These micro actions might feel laughable, but they flip a hidden switch in your brain. Scientists call it the Zeigarnik effect. Once you start, your brain hates to leave it unfinished. That's how you build momentum. And momentum, not motivation, is what drives success. So let's recap. Most goals fail because of actions without identity, willpower without environment, waiting for motivation instead of creating momentum. Each one looks small, but together they silently kill progress. The good news? Each has a 60-second fix. Redefine who you are. Redesign where you live. Restart with micro actions. Your future isn't built in giant leaps. It's built in tiny, repeatable shifts that only take a minute.